An Aberdeen man arrested for selling and trafficking drugs has previously run into the law for giving legal advice without a license. Ray Charles Lenore was arrested Saturday on 8 felony drug charges. Lenore was already scheduled to head to the Monroe County Jail in February to finish serving a sentence for practicing law without a license. Our Keely Shields talked with the Monroe County Sheriff and local lawyers about choosing an attorney and how you can protect yourself from this type of scam.
Hey, that's right, Grace. Those drug charges are the latest legal troubles for Lenore, but Monroe County Sheriff Kevin Crook is also asking anyone who may have paid Lenore for legal advice to come forward as his investigators continue digging into his fraudulent legal practices. The Monroe County Sheriff's Department is asking victims of Ray Charles Lenore to speak up. Lenore was recently arrested on drug charges, but last year he was found guilty of practicing law without a license, receiving fees, but never delivering on legal assistance.
Word on the street is that he had been doing that for a long time, so we believe that there are many victims out there that have paid him in their time of need, reached out for an attorney and got this guy representing himself as an attorney.
Monroe County Sheriff Kevin Crook says it's crucial to check out the facts when you're choosing legal assistance.
Before anybody pays anybody to represent them in anything that has to do with our court systems, they need to check with the Mississippi Bar Association to find out if that person is in fact a true attorney.
Local attorney Jeff Hosford also has some tips when seeking legal advice. Get to know the person looking to represent you, ask friends or family for recommendations, and be wary of any lawyer who promises an outcome.
Obviously, the first thing anytime somebody's looking for legal help is, one, get to know the person you're trying to deal with, talk to them about your case, make sure you feel comfortable with them. If they promise you a lot of things, understand that sometimes those promises can't be delivered on. I always tell people I may not promise you the world, but I'm going to do my best to get you that. If somebody says they're going to get you off scot-free, if somebody says they're going to guarantee you your children, those are things that most lawyers don't tell people because the facts are specific to each case and the determination is not controlled by the lawyer, it's controlled by a judge or a jury.
Hosford says each firm receives payment differently, so it's important to speak about fees and services up front. If you believe you've been a victim of Lenore's illegal law practices, you can contact the Monroe County Sheriff's Department and they will get you in touch with an investigator working on the case.